Hello and good morning. My name's Ant, the AI Oldtimer. Currently have 42 subscribers, so that's a good start, but I'd like to get it to 100 with your help. So I'm doing a bit of a giveaway. I'm going to give 10 lucky winners a copy of a book that I just remembered I wrote back in 2023 when I first discovered ChatGPT back in the early days, and I thought I would have a little experiment and see how much it knew about personal development, a field that I've been involved with since I was a teenager. Yeah, it helped me create this lovely little book. So I've got 10 copies of this, the AI Edge for Personal Growth. Short little book, but it covers pretty much everything you need to know about personal development. And for 10 lucky winners, if you subscribe to my channel and put down in the comments hashtag subscribe, I'll then be able to randomly search the comments and pick 10 lucky winners. So as soon as I hit 100 subscribers, let the little lottery begin. So thanks for watching, and in the next episode I'll be updating you on my latest fun project. So keep watching, and thanks for all the support. Cheers, bye bye.